Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with yet another functionality proof video. I believe this is M550NV. Yes, Vizio M550NV, belonging to customer named Larson, who sent it for repair through an eBay service order. We got back to customer telling them that the board was previously serviced, which is in violation of our requirements. And it was serviced by, I believe, this is Nick's TV Repair. Before I think that NTR stands for Nick, but I don't really know that for a fact. We've repaired boards for them. Now we've repaired boards after them. It wasn't badly done, in all fairness. I can't really say anything bad about it. But it's been worked on, and it probably has worked. And this is the customer unique name. So the customer got a offer from us to either get the board returned without any work done, or to have it fixed and strip our warranty since it came in violation, but for the same price, or to just pay more to get the warranty. So that is the board, that is our usual setup, and this is the media player that is going on. You can see it in all other videos as well. Connected to HDMI 1 and taking power from the USB. That is all. Board is working, packaging and returning. Thank you.